I feel like I'm being heckled by an electrician. Because of my bad back, I've had several MRIs, and it's been determined that I have... Y'all are hearing that also, aren't you? Because of my bad back, I've had several MRIs. We'll give it another try here. Because of my bad back, I've become fucking bad back. I feel like I'm being heckled by an electrician. Yeah, well, fuck you too. Now it's up there. It keeps moving up. Because of my bad back, I have trouble walking. I tend to sway back and forth. I own the fucking sidewalk.